Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin Tutorial for Beginners. Today I will show the example of Kotlin while and do while loop. So loop is a use a programming to repeat a specific block of code until certain condition is met. Loop are what make computer interesting machine. Imagine you need to print a sequence 50 times on your screen when you will do by using print statement 50 times without using loop. How about need a print sentence 1 million times? You need to use loop. So we take the variable I is equal to 1. This is the while statement. While loop I less than equal to 5. Then print line 1 and increment the I. So this while loop is condition is I less than equal to 5 or in less than or equal to 5 until this loop will be repeat until the condition is met. So we can run the project for show the while loop output. Here is the showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 5 time repeats until meet the condition. If we set the 10 and then we will see the output 1 to 10 times repeat the this block 1 to 10. We give some example of compute sum of natural numbers. Suppose compute sum of natural numbers by while loop bar sum 2 equal to 0 and bar I equal to 100 while I we take the another variable here j not equal to 0. This while loop repeat until this condition meet j not equal to 0. So sum plus sum to I then print the sum sum to sorry here is the j variable mistake we omit the previous code. Here is the showing sum 550 0 to 1 to 100 or 0 to 100. This loop is break when j not equal to 0 and j below 100 in each time is decrement the 1. First time is j 100 and second time is 99 and then 98 is repetition. j value minus 1, and each time j value adding the sum. Now we will show the example of do while loop. Do while do while loop. Suppose bar sum integer 0 and bar input is a string type, and do this is the do statement. When do statement is defined, do loop is defined, and while is necessary. At first in do statement we print line, enter an integer, and then we take input from user. Read line is optional, and sum plus equal to input dot to int user input convert to the integer type variable, and as the loop while loop it check this input not equal to 0. Finally print the sum equal to $sum. So now we will see the output of do while loop. So at first enter an integer, take input from user, suppose 4, 3, 2, -6, and still want input from user, and when we will enter 0, then loop will be break and sum is equal to 3. This is the condition when we enter the when enter the 0 and check the user input equal to 0, then exit from do while loop. Thank you.